Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting video for all the 3D modeling and rendering enthusiasts out there. If you're passionate about creating stunning visuals and need a laptop that can handle the demanding tasks of 3D modeling and rendering, then you've come to the right place. We'll be discussing the top 5 laptops that excel in this field. So, let's dive right in. Our first contender on the list is the Legion 5, a powerhouse designed specifically for 3D modeling and rendering. With its high-performance AMD Ryzen 7 5800H 3.2 GHz processor and dedicated NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3070 graphics card, it can handle complex tasks effortlessly. The laptop boasts a spacious 16 GB RAM and 1 TB SSD storage capacity, allowing you to work with large files and projects without any lag. Its color-accurate display and wide color gamut ensure accurate representation of your designs. Coming in at number 2 is the Razer Blade 15, a versatile device that offers exceptional performance for 3D modeling and rendering. Equipped with a powerful 12th Gen Intel 14-core i7 processor and a top-tier NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3070 graphics card, it can handle intensive rendering tasks with ease. The laptop also features an ultra-fast 360Hz Full HD display with excellent color reproduction, making it ideal for fine-tuning your designs. Its efficient cooling system ensures that the laptop remains cool even during long rendering sessions. Next up is the Dell XPS 15, a portable workstation designed for professionals in the 3D modeling and rendering industry. With its sleek and lightweight design, you can take your work on the go without compromising on performance. This laptop offers a powerful 12th Intel 14-core i7-12700H processor and a dedicated NVIDIA RTX 3050 graphics card, ensuring smooth workflow and quick rendering times. Its 1920 by 1200 pixels high-resolution display with wide viewing angles allows for accurate color representation, essential for detailed 3D work. Our fourth contender is the MacBook Pro, a beast of a machine that guarantees exceptional performance for 3D modeling and rendering. With its M2 powerful processor and high-end graphics card, you can handle even the most demanding projects. This laptop features a stunning Retina display with high color accuracy and a wide color gamut, providing you with the visual clarity needed for your intricate designs. Its robust cooling system ensures optimal performance even under heavy workloads. Last but certainly not least, we have the MSI Raider G77HX, a top-of-the-line laptop that combines power and precision for 3D modeling and rendering. With its cutting-edge specifications, including a high-performance Intel Core i7-12800HX processor and a powerful RTX 3070 graphics card, it can handle complex tasks effortlessly. This laptop features a color-accurate 2560 by 1440 pixels display with exceptional brightness and contrast, allowing you to work with utmost precision. Its extensive storage capacity ensures you have ample space for your projects and renders. So there you have it, our top 5 laptops for 3D modeling and rendering. Remember, these laptops are specifically tailored for professionals and enthusiasts in this field. Consider factors like processing power, graphics capabilities, display quality, and storage capacity when making your decision. That wraps up today's video. We hope you found this guide helpful in your search for the perfect laptop for 3D modeling and rendering. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Let us know in the comments which laptop caught your attention the most. As always, thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.